alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. Dear students, now look at the board and see. Class Junior 1, Subject Islam, topic I.G.K 4 to 6, term annual, lecture number 8, SW also 8. Teacher Mokter Hossain, and this is my mobile number. Dear students, let's start our today's topic I.G.K. Number 4. In which city was our Prophet ﷺ born? And the answer is in Mecca. You know that Mecca is a famous city of Saudi Arabia. Number 5. What is the meaning of Rahman? And the answer is kind. And number 6. What is the meaning of Razzaq? And the answer is food provider. Dear students, Rahman and Razzaq are Arabic word. You know that Almighty Allah has 99 special names. 2 of them are given here. In future, we will learn about other names of Almighty Allah. Now, SW topic I.G.K 4 to 6. That's all for today. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home and avoid by your parents. Keep safe and well. See you again, inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.